What's going on YouTube? You're watching EXQUISITEMAD, and today we're going to be doing a product review and how to use video on Armor All and its extreme tire shine to the extreme. So first things first, let's read the instructions. Let's go. Gently shake bottle, hold 4 to 6 inches away from the tire. Spray evenly on a clean, dry tire. 2 passes around the tire will give it an outstanding shine. Allow product to dry for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, shake it. Shake it up. Okay. And the amazing camera work from the lovely Dakota on this product review. So, cinematography. So, director of photography. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I just turn this thing on. I just twisted it. Now, it says 2 passes. These tires are clean. They've been clean. Just washed this car about 2 hours ago. So let's see. It doesn't smell. Now, the first thing that I'm going to say, I'm going to go ahead and close it up. Whoop. And close it up. It locks. So the thing that I will say is that this product doesn't really have a real pungent smell. It seems that it actually worked. The shine that it immediately left is pretty cool. It's pretty impressive. So I would recommend this product. Just for the simple fact that it's not leaving any type of residue. It's not pulling anything off the tire. It's not a tire cleaner. This is a pure tire shine. And if you spray it on a clean tire, you're probably going to get an outstanding shine just like what you just seen on this video. So that's how you use. Very, very simple. There's a lot of the bottle left. So anyway, if you like videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe. If you've used this product and you had a good experience or a bad experience, or if you used another product, drop a comment. If you want to see a video on another product, see how it works, see how it looks when it's applied, drop a comment. Let us know. So anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed. This has been Armor All Tire Shine.